Hello there. Thanks for stopping by Jose's Garage. This video, actually a pictorial slideshow, is part 2 of the purchase, shipping, cost, preparation, and installation of an Aqualu 3/4 aluminum tub for a 1978 FJ40 Toyota Land Cruiser. We'll be covering the preparation and installation thoroughly, and if you've not seen part 1, you may want to do so. I'll make a list of all coatings and adhesives used in the description. Why invent the wheel? From picking up the tub in Dover Foxcroft, I transported it to Sherman's Coach Works in Atkinson, Maine. Shane Sherman is the best body man in the county, and he did a fabulous job on the restoration of my cruiser. We put the tub right into the paint room and started sanding the bottom, taking off the shine and creating a layer of aluminum oxide. We then applied, after cleaning it up, Zinc Chromate primer. For aluminum, Zinc Chromate is a conversion coating, and it chemically converts aluminum oxide to chromium oxide, which adheres better to the body surface and the paint. After letting the Zinc Chromate primer dry, we sprayed 2 coats of Napa Rust-Proof MD black top coat, part number QTRP100, on the tub bottom. While letting this paint dry on the bottom of the tub, we turned our attention to the cowling. We sandblasted its entirety, filled all seams with seam sealer, and applied a gray Transtar Urethane automotive body primer. We also painted the bottom and the floorboards with the Napa Rust-Proof MD black top coat. During the time of the drying of the primer, Shane fabricated 2 front door bottom skins from scratch. He did an excellent job. We then mated together the tub and the cowling. Where they connect, rocker to cowling door post, we used panel bonding adhesive with stainless steel bolts. And at the floorboards, used Sikaflex adhesive with stainless steel fasteners. You want to use stainless steel fasteners for all connections of the aluminum tub because it greatly reduces galvanic corrosion of aluminum because of dissimilar metals. We then sprayed Raptor Tough protective coating on the bed and the floorboards of the tub and the wheel wells. The top coat that I used was Nason Full-Thane 2K urethane single stage IB quality with a Toyota color code of 637 olive green. I was a touch disappointed because it was a couple shades lighter than what I really wanted. But you can't return automotive paint once you crack the lid. This Toyota color, 637 olive green, was available on 1978 FJ40 Toyota Land Cruisers on a special order. We put the transmission cover on and attached it to the tub and the cowling with 6mm by 125 cert nuts and stainless steel bolts. Aqualu cuts out round gear shift holes so they do not match the OEM gear shift boots, but you have to use their round ones. I found that I had to trim the front of the transfer case hole because it wouldn't allow the T-case shifter to fully engage two-wheel drive and would pop into neutral on the road. We also painted it with black bed liner, and then we mated the body to the frame, and it was pretty easy. The mounting holes lined up after shooting the final coat on the tub and cowling. We individually painted the hood, front and rear doors, and all the upper top body parts olive green. And I chose to paint the fenders, the top and bezel, black using the Napa rust-proof MD black top coat paint. All in all, the project went great, and since January of 2018, I've put on about 25 to 30,000 miles and through 8 winters. The tub and the body are holding up great. I was very fortunate to have the body work and painting done by Shane Sherman, as in 2018, he retired to pursue other adventures. Well, that's it for now. If you stayed with me all through this video, I thank you. It helps me a lot. If you would, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.